Hello users, Matthew again from the MatthewMatical Suite. In this video I'd like to talk to you about ChemCruncher, the MatthewMatical Suite's top quality chemical equation computation and information system. Fundamentally it balances chemical equations, so it can be very helpful when dealing with equations that are rather hard to balance, especially ones with more than two reactants and products, for example this one. Rather than trying to balance it by hand and possibly making mistakes, you may as well put it into ChemCruncher. Not only does it balance the equation, but if you scroll down you will see it has given you the mass ratio and mole ratio of all substances. If you change one of these values and click scale, it will change all of the others to constrain ratios. If you change the pressure and temperature, this will have an effect on the volumes of the substances, assuming they're gases, which they may not be in reality, but for simplicity, ChemCruncher assumes they're gases. If problems happen with the stoichiometric calculations, such as rounding errors, or that you've reduced everything to zero, you can just click crunch again to restore the original ratios. You'll notice that it then says substances not in the database we used, so it couldn't complete the full analysis. The database contains a list of compounds along with their formulas, enthalpy values, and pictures of them. Some of them can't be seen very easily because they've got a transparent background. Anyone can add stuff to the database following the instructions on this page. The database allows for some extra features to be added to it, such as word equation recognition. You'll notice that it's put in the formulas and done everything the same as before, but it also is able to give the enthalpy information, which is the amount of heat energy absorbed or released by the chemical reaction, and it can give diagrams of all the molecules involved, giving you a good visual of the reaction taking place. Additionally, the value of enthalpy change for the current sample size can be changed and will react to clicking the scaling button. So if I do this, it changes all the values up here. Therefore, ChemCruncher is great for people with any amount of experience. Whether you want to know whether a kilogram of octane or a kilogram of glucose has more combustion energy, or you want to visualize the incomplete combustion of an alcohol, or you just want to balance a complicated redox equation, ChemCruncher will surely be of assistance. Just head to mathewmatical.ddns.net/ChemCruncher. No sign-in required.